Poppy jumps and Mira says, "Hey, in the kitchen fun is near." Mom smiles softly, waves hello. Let's make cookies nice and slow. Opens ready, let's all cheer. Wash our hands clean and bright, bubbles dancing left and right. Mom says, "Good job, looking neat." Aprons on, tied just right, kitchen glowing warm and light. Happy feet go tap tap beat. Flower flying soft like snow, sprinkle sprinkle nice and slow. Poppy wiggles nose, uh-oh. Achoo! Sneezes, everyone laughs. Mom giggles, gentle claps, messy fun in tiny paths. Crack the eggs, 1, 2, 3. Mom helps Mira carefully. Poppy watches patiently. Stir it round and stir it round. Swirly batter, spinny sound. Smiles everywhere abound. Sugar sweet and butter smooth. Mom says mix it with a groove. Mira hums a baking tune. Dough goes pat pat flat and fun. Rolling pin goes run run run. Mom counts shapes one by one. Stars and hearts and circles too. Poppy cheers, woof, so cute. Laughing loud, the whole crew. Oven time, tick and tock. Mom puts tray in nice and locked. Warm smells, knock knock knock. Waiting, waiting, not too fast. Mom says, good things last. Cookies growing, rising past. Golden cookies, out they come. Mom says, wow, they're perfect, yum. Happy dance for everyone. Share the cookies one by one. Baking together is so fun. Hugs for Mom, job well done.